Hello guys, Distro here and welcome back to this channel.
In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your PayPal account to your mobile money wallet. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. Now if you have linked your card to PayPal, this process will be real easy for you. But if you haven't done that, I would advise you to do so by checking out our video on how to create a PayPal account, how to link your card to PayPal, and how to get a free virtual card for PayPal. I will put all the links in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Now as you can see here, I have a balance of $20.72 in my PayPal account and I want to withdraw that amount to my mobile money account. Now let's see if we've linked a card to our PayPal account, because without a card this is not going to work. So you go to the top right corner, click on your profile and select account settings. When it opens, select banks and cards. Now you can see here, I've already linked two virtual cards. One is going to expire this year and I've linked a new one. So we are going to withdraw onto the new one ending 0030. That's what we are going to withdraw to. So let's go ahead with the process. Now let's go back to the home page. Now you will see transfer money. As you can see here, transfer money. Click on it. So as you see, it says transfers US dollars to. So our Visa cards are showing you have to link a bank, you have linked credit card. If you want to link another credit card and transfer to, you can do that. We want to link to our second virtual card, so we select that and click on next. Here we input the amount we want to withdraw into our bank account or our mobile money account. I want to withdraw everything from the PayPal account, so I will leave it like that and click on next. Now you will see the summary of the transaction, and please note that PayPal is going to deduct $5 for transaction fee. No matter the amount of money you are transferring, they are going to deduct $5 transaction fee. So in total we are going to receive about $15.70. Click on transfer. Now you see it said we transferred $15.72 to our virtual card ending 0030 and click on done. Now let's go to our smartphone and see the message we got from PayPal and how to transfer it into our mobile money. So you see that we received a message from Ecobank virtual card saying that we've received money from PayPal. When you open the message, you will see the amount of money we're able to withdraw. Let me open the message so that you can see the full details of the message. As you can see from the description, it says PayPal sealed distro and we're able to withdraw 109.50. Now how do you move the money from the virtual card to our mobile money account? Some virtual card gives you the opportunity to withdraw directly to your mobile money from their app. I'm using Ecobank virtual card and it doesn't give that option to withdraw directly from the virtual card. So let's go to the virtual card, see if we have the money on our virtual card. Yes, we have the money on our virtual card. Now I'll show you the easiest way to withdraw money from a virtual card. Now we are going to use an app called ExpressPay, which will give us the opportunity to withdraw from a virtual card to our mobile money account. So make sure you install the app. When you open the app, you sign up and take you to the home page. At the home page, you select transfer at the bottom, then you choose where you want to send it to. I'm setting to Vodafone Cash, so I'll select Vodafone Cash. I have my number in the app already, so I'll just proceed. Now here you enter the amount you want to withdraw from the virtual card. I have 124 cedis in my account, so I'll withdraw 122 cedis. Now you see pay with Now we change that from my Vodafone number to the virtual card. See, I have the virtual card here, 0030. I have it here, so I'll select that one. But you can also link yours if you haven't linked it already. Please note that this app charges 1 Ghana cedi for every withdrawal that you make from the card. As you can see, the transaction was successful and received a message from Vodafone saying I've received my money successfully. So that's it. That's how to withdraw money from PayPal to your mobile money. Please, if this tutorial has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell to receive more content like this. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.